Makeup tutorial time. Also, please ignore this. I couldn't zipper it up all the way by myself. There's a zipper in the back. So anyway, I am about to show you a makeup tutorial on how to do Emily from Hazbin Hotel. And for some of those who have been following me since my reborn content, I'll just tell you what Hazbin Hotel is about. Since most of you don't know, and it's a TV show on Amazon Prime. I highly recommend it. And this is my very first time doing Emily from Hazbin Hotel. She's an angel. She was born in heaven. And what was I going to say? Oh yeah, this is my first time doing the makeup, but also I have an idea of what I'm doing. So, okay. So, I'm going to take my... Hold on, need to open this. So I was just looking for my foundation brush, and also off frame, I'm gonna dip this brush into a glass of water on my table, and I'm going to put it in just, how do I say it? Just wet in the face paint. This is a water activated face paint. This is light gray from Snazaroo. Let me just, and also without getting it all over my dress. I almost didn't want to put my dress on for this. So I like to think of this as a paintbrush, a face paintbrush. So really you just do it all over your face. I'm going to do my ears in case they show through my wig. And also, probably goes without saying, that you want to also paint your neck. I kind of have a neck because I'm fat. So I guess I have a little bit of a neck. But also, when I was 220 pounds, I did not have a neck at all. So I guess this is an accomplishment. I'm just trying not to get it all over my costume. And also, I forgot to tell you, after the first layer dries, you want to paint on another layer so it looks nice, and I can't find the word for it, but it'll definitely look like not this, where you can see some of the skin color showing through. I was expecting this face paint color to be a lot darker, so I guess I'm not putting these on. They'll just look weird. I don't think anyone's gonna care if I just use my hands, paint them or not paint them. Oh, I forgot. First I have to look in the mirror and use a beauty blender. Oh my god, I didn't even notice that I didn't thoroughly paint that. Anyway, now I'm going to use the beauty blender, and I'm going to pat very gently. This is to get rid of all the streaks that you possibly made with your paintbrush. I don't see any streaks, so maybe maybe it wasn't a bad choice to use my, I was going to use my foundation brush instead of this. And I'm going to use my CoverGirl press powder and powder my makeup so it doesn't crease. Why don't I just use my mirror instead of my camera as a mirror? Who does that? And you know, I think I'm going to leave my eyebrows alone because Emily has white hair. But I also don't want my eyebrows to look blonde and invisible. So I'm just going to leave my eyebrows alone and not do anything to them. I was going to take a black mascara and use the bristles, or whatever you call them, to make them black. But I think my eyebrows are fine the way they are. I'm going to take my Beauty Gems eyeshadow palette from Ulta Beauty, which is discontinued by now. And I'm trying not to make this fall apart. I'm going to take this dark gray and put it in my crease. Let me get a little closer for you. And because I have hooded eyelids, I'm going to apply it with my eye open, because that's the whole point of eyeshadow. You want it to show with your eyes open. I'm kind of like packing it on, because in this case, I want it to be visible. And also, this brush isn't really accomplishing anything. Okay, maybe if I... one more. I can kind of see it a little. It's because I didn't use the best brush that's the best at blending. But anyway, next I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take this highlight where my finger is. And I'm going to put that on my eyelids. So back to this eyeshadow palette, Beauty Gems. I'm gonna take this color where my brush is pointing, and I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Actually, no, I'm gonna take this color. Looks like a dark gray to me. So I'm gonna put that. On just in my outer lower lash line. One more. It's almost like a black, but it's just a really dark gray. Going back to that eyeshadow palette again, and also this is not the color you want to use. This is, I screwed up, and this is the dark gray I want to use, that you want to use on any eyeshadow palette you have at home. So anyway, I already fixed my eyes and applied the eyeshadow in my crease. And now I'm going to do that in the outer corner. If you want to use a darker eyeshadow, I can't think of any that's in this palette. Maybe a black. Just to give it a little more dimension. Just gently a blended black in the outer corner. But let me show you. And also tap off the excess. And I'm placing it very strategically. You can't see it that well. At least I can't. Okay, maybe I need to go a little deeper. You see, like that. And it kind of gives off a smoky eye. Ow. I'm being very careful about not overdoing it, which is why I'm applying multiple layers. With my liquid eyeliner, as always, I'm going to do a really thin line because, again, with the hooded eyes, and I'm going to try to do more of a cat eye. I'm not promising it's going to come out good. I'm actually really bad at doing cat eyes. That's the best I could do. I'm going to curl my lashes, add mascara to my top and bottom lashes. But first I'm going to put white in my waterline to, devoid of any flesh skin tone. Because I'm supposed to be gray. My character's supposed to be gray. I'm almost out of time. Like, I have almost 20 seconds left. So I'm going to have to do a part 2. And yeah, I'm aware there's some skin color I still haven't thoroughly painted on, whatever the right word is. I'm putting on my wig for the very first time. I bought it on Cosplay, Easy Cosplay. I don't know how to say it right. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, of course the bangs have to be cut a little. So, wait. No, wait. I don't have to do anything to them. This is exactly how the wig goes. Okay. Finally, I'm Emily. Maybe a fat Emily, but I'm Emily. Right away, I decided that my eye makeup is so good that I don't need fake eyelashes. And I think it's going to be very tedious anyway to put these eyelashes on with my bangs constantly covering my face. So anyway, I'm going to use the Mayron cream stick. This is a cream paint. Okay. It's not doing anything for some reason, but anyway, I'm going to use my stipple sponge. Ugh, need this hair out of my face. I'm going to use my stipple sponge, and I've seen people use pearls and glue it onto their faces as Emily, but to me they're more like freckles, so that's what I'm going to do. Actually, you almost can't see. No, wait, I can see them now. But I'm going to make them just a tad heavy, a tad harsh, just so you can see the freckles, because I think it's really difficult to see with this face paint, unless this is the wrong face paint. Finally, lipstick. Black lipstick, because Emily's lips are black. Let me use a mirror. Wow, I need to buy new lipstick. This is really difficult to apply. I've had this lipstick since I was 20. The first cosplay I did with this lipstick was Lord Dominator from Wander Over Yonder. And I didn't bother to ever replace the lipstick, but since I'm having a hard time putting it on, I might as well buy another black lipstick. Ooh. Well, it kind of, well, maybe I'm being dumb, but no, my teeth are really yellow. And I brushed before I put this whole cosplay on, so my teeth wouldn't be so disgusting. But that is how I do my Emily makeup from Hazbin Hotel, even though it's only been my first time doing Emily makeup. But considering it's my first time doing this cosplay makeup, I actually did a really good job. Like I said, I didn't know what I was doing, but I had an idea of what I was going to do. So, tell me which cosplay character you want to see a makeup tutorial of next. And I'm going to go make TikToks now, and I'll see you later. Bye.